Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Solidus Aitech token. Ticker symbol is Aitech, all one word. This token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow, August 28th. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Now let's get into this token here. So this token is being listed August 28th, 10 o'clock UTC time, on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search Aitech, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So tomorrow, 10 o'clock UTC time, it will be live. So it says here, Solidus has successfully constructed an environmental conscious, state-of-the-art, high-performance computing data center spanning over 8,000 square feet. This facility is strategically situated in a highly secure European location. In conjunction with this remarkable achievement, Solidus is poised to unveil the world's pioneering deflationary AI infrastructure, the utility token known as Aitech. This token will serve as the payment gateway for licensing artificial intelligence as a service, blockchain as a service, and accessing HPC resources via their infrastructure as a service platform. So this token is on the Binance Smart Chain. Now there is a total supply here of 2 billion tokens. It only says 17 holders so far, so this token is basically hot off the press, and it's I saw it's getting a couple other tier 2 central exchange listings too, as Bitmart, I believe, was one, and Bitget. There's probably a couple other ones as well, but the one I saw that seemed the biggest was the Mexc Global one, so it looks like this is going to be their initial listing date, because there's, like I said, only 17 holders so far. 18 decimal places on this token. So besides that, I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here so you guys can easily find this token. They also have a Telegram at Solidus AI Chat, and that has 62,892 members on it, so doing very well. And their Twitter at AITechIO, 162,600 Twitter followers. Doing very, very well. Incubated by Chain GPT, it says. Yeah, and then it has on their Twitter here, you can see the listing date. It says Gate. That's a big one too, but Gates you can't use in every country, so that's a bummer. But yeah, Gate, Bitget, PancakeSwap, Bitmart, and Mexc Global. It looks like all at the same time being listed August 28th. So that's really cool there that they're getting all those exchange listings at once. This is a very big project. Now, if you go to their document section, docs.aitech.io, that's like their white paper, you'll find a full CertiK audit over there, Medium articles, GitHub, 2 different Telegrams, Discord, LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter. All the links are going to be on there. So Solidus intends to establish an exclusive marketplace catering to software developers, enabling them to launch artificial intelligence software applications for end users to license. Through this innovative initiative, developers will partake in profit-sharing models, thereby gaining substantial benefits. Aitech as the core token fueling the Solidus AI tech ecosystem presents a comprehensive solution for procuring all services available on the platform. In addition to facilitating token payments, Solidus offers the convenience of accepting traditional payment methods. The conversion of fiat currency transactions to AI tech occurs seamlessly on the back end, with the entire process conducted on the blockchain utilizing AI tech tokens. As an integral component of our deflationary token economy, a percentage ranging from 5% to 10% of AI tech tokens utilized for acquiring services on the platform will be systematically burned. This meticulous process ensures the utmost transparency, as the precise number of tokens subjected to burning can easily be monitored through our comprehensive dashboard. So it goes over in December 2017. This project was of a Ethereum mining entity. So that's how far back this Solidus project goes back, all the way to December 2017 when they did ETH mining. So their revenue streams, they have the artificial intelligence as a service, blockchain as a service, high performance computing power, and their marketplace, token utilities, specifically for the AI tech token, to license artificial intelligence as a service, blockchain as a service, rent high performance computing power, reward the most popular artificial intelligence applications in our AI marketplace, rewards for locking up tokens in the staking platform, and then DAO governance, voting power proportional to the amount of tokens staked. So there's a lot of utility to this token. You can use it for all those things that I mentioned. Staking platform, you can even earn rewards and APR. But not only that, you get voting power. So it's a part of a DAO. So it's a utility and a DAO token. And then they have a roadmap on here, starting with plan go-to-market strategy, apply for top-tier launch pads, Tier 1 central exchange listings, meet with market makers, new partnerships, decide on launch pads, Tier 1 central exchange listings, interview additional team members, feature PR publications, KOL campaign, announcement of new team members, platform V1 launch pad stuff, central exchange listings, vesting portal and claim portal, staking platform, DAO governance, central exchange listings, more PR, continue to build community, HPC servers ordered, complete financials for equity offering, meet with VCs, and equity offering goes live. So, I mean, you can check out all of their specifics on each one of their utility at docs.aitech.io. You can find this token listed on a whole bunch of exchanges starting tomorrow, but the main one that I see here is Mexc Global. If you don't have an account, like I said, check out that Mexc Global referral code in the description box. Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And yeah, leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about this project? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.